What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a springy look. I got this sent in the mail by my friend Chip. She was having kind of like a baby opening, baby gift opening live on YouTube. And she told us to guess how many pieces of toilet paper would wrap around her belly, and I said 13 and I won. So anyways, we're gonna do a springy look with the Huda Pastel's Lilac palette. That's what it looks like inside. Very pretty, and it should be pretty easy to do. I think I'm gonna start off with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Girl, okay, I have two of these. I need to find a way to sharpen this one, but I got another one because I'm gonna, use both of them. It was still hard to open this. The thing just kept raveling, and I was like, no. So I'm gonna start off with this. Just kind of put it all over the eyes so the pastels will pop. I'm just gonna put it up to where I want it to be. And I do have tape on, so I can have that crisp, clean line that I want. I have it going up like to my brow, if you can kind of tell, so that I have that crisp look. But it's great, because yesterday we got 2 boxes of things that we did not pay for. We got one, the box that Chip sent me that I won, and a box of free toilet paper. And no, I'm not selling it. I have not had any problems getting toilet paper at this time, at this coronavirus time. So I don't know what people are talking about. Yes, I go in and see that the toilet paper is very scarce, but usually there's always at least something. But now I know I got toilet paper, baby. I got this. I got this. I might, yeah. So now I kind of got that on where I want it. You can kind of go in and kind of warm it up with your finger to spread it out. So that's that. And so I'm gonna give it a look here, a look-see. I'm gonna make it all pastel. I'm gonna start with this color. I don't think they have names. I don't think they ever do have names. I have like the nude one, the dark nude one, and then I have the orange neon. I don't need every single one in the collection. I'll just take my favorite one and rock with it. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you get it right on where that tape is, so it'll make that line. And with this, it's kind of sticky, the white base, so you just kind of pat it on. I kind of load up your brush a lot because that's the way it'll stick the most. Yeah, that's really pretty. Initially I swatched it and it didn't swatch very well, but I know swatches and actual using the palette usually is 2 different things a lot of the time. A lot of the times it's fine to swatch it and get a idea, but for the most part when you're swatching, I'd say, it's not a true representation. I'm going to use this pink down here to blend that out. They are pretty powdery, but like I said before in my videos, I don't mind that, and I kind of like that. It's more easily blendable, I believe, when you do it like that. So that looks pretty cute. I'm going to take this dark purple here These are really manageable to hold, especially when you're doing a video. I'm gonna take that over here to deepen up. I noticed these shimmery shades are really nice. Look at that one. That's that one, and this one is the pink one, and the purple one. They kind of all look similar, but I ain't gonna hate. Don't hate, congratulate. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep blending that out. That's part of my problem. I don't blend enough, and I know this, but I got shit to do, okay? I really don't, but I'm just saying, I'm not a patient person at all. So, I think I'm gonna get the mint palette too, the mint colored palette. I think so, maybe. I don't know, we'll see what happens. And for the main part, I'm gonna take some, wherever it went. I swear I just looked at it. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna take this glitter glue by NYX just to make sure that it's sticky and tacky and ready for some. They're not really glitters, they're more shimmery glitters, but I find this helps me a lot. I'm just gonna do the front half. And also that e.l.f. concealer I was using, I'm not so sure I like that. I used concealer for my eye primer. Today I actually have an eye primer on. I have the Urban Decay primer potion on. But yeah, this every day was creasing a lot, so I don't know if it's my eye, if it's just not reacting with me good, but I'm not sure. For me, I'm not saying for you. It could be wonderful on you, and it probably will be, but you know, different skin types. I don't know, girl. But let's see, that's pretty dry. We'll probably pat it on with our finger. We're gonna go in with the swirled one. It's really pretty. So I'm just gonna tap it on. That looks pretty cute. And they're saying that Huda copied ColourPop. I don't know, you know? And like a lot of people are like, I don't like Kat Von D. Well, you know what? I like her makeup, so you know, if I feel like I want to get her makeup, I will. Like, if I really hate someone, I probably wouldn't buy their makeup, but just because I slightly don't like someone, you know, you never know. You don't know these people in real life, you know? So, I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. But that looks really pretty. That is stunning, you know? Stunning. Just for fun's sake, maybe we'll use something out of this Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette. Yeah, I'm probably, well, Seafoam, is that? I don't know. We might not. I might have to do a separate whole other thing on that. I feel like I want to get it higher, so I'm gonna do that here. Which one do I want to use though? I'm gonna take this one again. And just make sure it's kind of almost up to the brow, but not quite. Yeah, I think using that glitter glue was a good idea. But I'm still gonna take the brush and put more in there. That's pretty. Okie dokie. I think I'm gonna go off camera and put on my eyeliner and be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got the eyeliner on. So it looks like that. I'm going to put on some mascara. And I don't know which one I want. I'm gonna take the Kush Mascara by Milk makeup. And I'm just gonna apply that to my little tiny baby itty bitty teensy weensy lashes. You can't talk while you're doing this. Well, you can, but I'm gonna kind of put it on the outer right there. Not all the way in. And do that to both sides. My hair is like all over. Oh yeah, so I did color my hair. It was supposed to be like a cherry color or raspberry color, but it turned out black. So that's fine, because I kind of was thinking I kind of wanted black, but it will it'll fade into like a cherry raspberry situation like it did before. So let's see, now we're gonna get into the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna go into the Lovecraft Beauty. I'm going with sorry, I'm going with the darkest, because I feel like my skin, I don't know why, but stuff does not show up on my skin. And I like it kind of dark. Whoops. We'll blend that out. I'm not too worried. That looks crazy. But what I'm going to do is take the brush that I used for my foundation, and that will help us blend out. I don't know what's wrong with my voice, dude. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, now I know I got a different blush out. Where'd it go? Sorry. I got out this NYX Ombre blush. It is in Soft Flush. I'm gonna go right up in this area. It actually shows up on my skin. Probably because it's like neon. We got some on our faces, y'all. Finally. Okay, and let's put that away. I'm going to take this again that I put my foundation on, and that'll help kind of taper it down. And I got out some different highlights. It is Flexitarian by ColourPop, a Super Shock Cheek Pearlized. This is really blinding. See, it looks like you're the Tin Man, or you're really sweaty cooking some fried chicken. But I like it. And I'll just go down the center of my nose to make it look a little thinner. Because I got a small nose, it's just that the width is a little not my, I wouldn't choose that for myself. You know what I'm saying? I would not choose that for myself. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit more blending. I think I'm gonna take some of my Fit Me powder and do a cleanup around here. That way, if I got some bronzer and stuff down there, which don't really matter, I'll clean up that. Okay. Comment down below if you like my hair. I think it looks good. I don't know. I like me in black hair. I kind of almost like me better in black hair than blonde hair. I guess I'm just going to take this and blend things out with it. Let's spray our face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. It's one of my favorites. Woo! I inhaled that. I inhaled it. And dry it up. And this is our finished look for the Pastels Lilac by Huda Beauty. So hopefully you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go down on my social media and follow me on all my social medias, and make sure you leave me a comment because I'm bored. Okay. Oh, let's put a lippy on real quick. I almost forgot. I'm gonna go by Almay Lip Vibes and Call Out. So anyways, there it is. Make sure you go down in the description box and follow all my social media. And that's about it for today. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.